Now, if you have acne-prone skin, avoid any cleanser that has alcohol, that has fragrance or detergent, because these cleansers are too harsh for your skin. It's going to strip your skin of natural oil. Cleansers that contains maybe shea butter or coconut oil, you don't really want cleansers like that, because they will clog your pores and they will cause your skin to produce more oil or even break you out. Facial cleansers are very important when it comes to skincare. I normally say you should think of facial cleansers as a foundation to your skincare routine. All right, and cleansers are very essential when it comes to your skincare routine. All right, and your goal when choosing a facial cleanser is to choose a cleanser that will do the job by removing oil, dirt, impurities and makeup from your skin without compromising the outer layer of your skin, meaning without disrupting the pH balance of your skin. Because if you choose a facial cleanser that doesn't suit your skin type, it will not only disrupt the pH balance of your skin, it will also cause your skin to have issues. Okay, so in this video I'll be telling you what cleansers you should look out for, what ingredients you should look out for when choosing a facial cleanser, and also the cleansers that will suit your skin type. And this is very important because cleansers, like I mentioned earlier, is the foundation to your skincare routine. Okay, but before then, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician. Basically talk about everything skincare in this channel. I teach you how to look after your skin. I do a lot of product recommendation, and I also do 1 or 2 DIY once in a while. Okay, so if you like what you're watching, hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and the bell button as well. While you're subscribing, the bell button keeps you up to date on what is happening on my channel. This is the notification bell. Okay, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and help me share it to anyone you think that may benefit from it. Okay, let me also thank my regular viewers. Welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. Now, the first skin type that I'm going to talk about in this video is mature skin. Okay, once we clock 25 and above, the collagen and elastin production begins to slow down. The rate of cell turnover, cell turnover when we're young, our cell turnover is like at top notch, and that's what keeps the skin young looking and glowing and firm. But as we age, the rate of cell turnover begins to slow down, and the shedding of dead skin cells also decreases. The rate at which our body sheds dead skin cells also slows down. So if you have mature skin, my advice to you is to look for rich cleansers containing AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, retinoids, vitamin C, vitamin B5, glycolic acid. These ingredients are going to help improve collagen production and also increase cell turnover, and doing this will help your skin to look more even and younger looking. Okay, another option is to look for mild cleansers, because mild cleansers are very good for you for mature skin, because mild cleanser, creamy cleanser, or light enzyme cleanser will help your skin to retain moisture, the moisture that you lose as your skin is, as you're getting older. Okay, so mild cleansers are very good. What mild cleansers are good for sensitive skin, they are also good for mature skin, because it will help your skin to retain the moisture. Okay, so you don't strip your skin of any moisture or any natural oil which you need to keep that skin glowing. Now, the next skin type is acne-prone skin. Okay, the first cleanser that I will recommend for acne-prone skin is salicylic acid cleanser. Salicylic acid is part of beta hydroxy acid. I love salicylic acid for acne-prone skin because it's oil soluble. It penetrates through the epidermis to dissolve dead skin cells, and it also help to unclog pores, because acne-prone skin suffers from clogged pores. So salicylic acid is really good in helping to dissolve dead skin cells, because it cleanses deeper through the epidermis, dissolves dead skin cells, and it helps to reduce overproduction of sebum, because people that suffers from acne overproduces sebum, which clogs your pores get infected, and it comes out as acne. Cleansing oil too is very essential if you have acne-prone skin. So when you are looking for cleansing oil, you look out for cleansing oil that has ingredients like hazelnut oil, almond oil, or rose oil. All those oils that will not clog pores. Okay, because cleansing oil helps to keep your skin very hydrated as well, and it also helps to clean the dirt deeper before you now use your cleanser. Sometimes as acne-prone skin, advice is usually you double cleanse with your cleansing oil first, and then you go with your main cleanser. Okay, now if you have acne-prone skin, avoid any cleanser that has alcohol, that has fragrance, or detergent, because these cleansers are too harsh for your skin. It's going to strip your skin of natural oil, because when you have acne-prone skin, you think you're producing too much oil and you're using something that is foaming a lot, something that has too much alcohol. What happens is those cleansers strips your skin of natural oil, and your skin fights back by producing too much oil, because it needs that oil to keep it functioning properly. Okay, so you stay away from cleansers that has oil, detergents, fragrance, parabens. You have to stay away from them, especially parabens and fragrance and alcohol, because these ingredients leads to clogged pores. Okay, now the next skin type is oily skin. Okay, when it comes to oily skin, you need to look for cleansers that will help to remove the oil, but at the same time keep your skin barrier intact. Okay, cleansers that will not irritate your skin. Okay, a bit of lactic acid is good, because lactic acid will not only help to remove the oil, too much oil on your skin, it will also keep your skin hydrated, and it will not cause irritation on your skin. So you can look for foaming cleanser and gel cleanser. Oily skin, you need foaming cleanser and also gel cleanser, or even cleansing oil as well. Okay, another thing I love about lactic acid is lactic acid helps to clear pores, because oily skin suffers from clogged pores. So lactic acid helps to minimize the appearance of your pores, and it also helps to clear pores. Okay, Don't buy cleansers that has, can clog your pores. When we're talking about clog pores, some cleansers that contains maybe shea butter or coconut oil, you don't really want cleansers like that, because they will clog your pores and they will cause your skin to produce more oil or even break you out. All right, there are two main ingredients you should also look for when you have oily skin if you're buying cleanser that are good for you: glycolic acid and salicylic acid. Okay, these two cleansers, they are good. So if you can get glycolic acid cleanser or salicylic acid cleanser, but yeah, you only use it, don't use it every day. Don't use it, especially if it's glycolic acid, don't use it every day. Or if you're going to use it, only once a day, especially at night. Don't use it during the daytime, because too much sun, or it can cause your skin to become a little bit too sensitive. These two acids, they can cause your skin to dry out and be too sensitive if you use it during the daytime. Okay, avoid cleansers with alcohol, avoid cleansers with fragrance. Any cleanser that contains salt, avoid it, because it's going to irritate your skin more, and your skin will react by producing more oil and also breakout. All right, now the next skin type is dry skin. Okay, when it comes to dry skin, you do not want foaming cleanser. You stick with creamy cleansers. Okay, creamy, mild cleansers. The reason why you need creamy cleansers is because you need cleansers that will keep your skin moisture intact. Okay, so stay away from cleansers that contains acids, cleansers that contains clays and exfoliating beads. I see a lot of people use these cleansers that has beads in it, and they're using it every single day. Even with people with dry skin, they're using cleansers with beads in it, micro beads in it, every single day, and you're complaining of your skin drying out. You're kind of exfoliating your skin every day, and exfoliating your skin every single day is really not the best thing for your skin, because you're not allowing your skin to produce more dead skin cells. So you're kind of like giving your skin too much work, so your skin will react by drying out more and also breaking out, and also becoming very, very sensitive. So look for cleansers with humectant ingredients. When you talk about humectants, cleansers with ceramides, cleansers with hyaluronic acid, cleansers with sodium hyaluronate, cleansers with glycerin, vitamin A. All these cleansers, vitamin C as well is good for dry skin. So all these cleansers will help to keep your skin moisture intact, will not dry your skin out, and will also keep the pH balance of your skin at a normal level. Okay, avoid any foaming cleanser, not good for you. Foaming cleansers are not good for you. Cleansers with alcohol, I don't need to tell you that, not good for you. Cleansers with fragrance, they are not good for you, because they're going to dry your skin out more, and when your skin dries out more, what happens then? You start having premature aging signs. Okay, I don't want to have premature aging signs at all. Now, another skin type is sensitive skin. Okay, when you have sensitive skin, you know how it is. Your skin is already sensitive, so you need to avoid anything that is astringent. Okay, you stick with mild cleansers or soothing cleansers, because your skin is already irritated, your skin is already inflamed. Any more irritation can cause burn. Okay, so sensitive skin, people that have skin issues like dermatitis, rosacea, you stick with mild cleansers. Okay, avoid any cleanser with acids in it. Avoid any cleansers that are foaming. Okay, most can even use sensitive skin, mature skin, or even dry skin, especially dry skin. can use the same thing because your skin is a little bit similar, because dry skin can also be sensitive. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you want me to review if there's any other topic you want me to look at, leave a comment below in the comment section, and I will definitely try my best to do a video on that. Okay, thank you so much, my favorite people, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.